These boards have been outside for almost 20 years and honestly, they look completely finished. But underneath all of this, the wood was still there. So let's go and restore these boards. The structure underneath was fully rotten. I decided to replace it completely. To separate the boards from the rotten structure underneath, I had to first remove every single screw. Some of them had been sitting there for almost 20 years, so I wasn't expecting all of them to come out easily. Luckily, the screws are stainless steel, so after almost 20 years outside, most of them are still in pretty good shape, and they came out surprisingly well. We're going to freshen up these boards with a full sanding and see what's still hiding underneath. Once the grey layer starts coming off, the wood underneath actually looks surprisingly good. Now it's time to rebuild the understructure, starting by measuring and cutting everything to the right length. Next, I made sure the new structure was positioned exactly where I wanted. Then I clamped it in place so nothing could move while I fixed the boards down. Now it was time to fasten the boards down. Because paddock is such a dense hardwood, I pre-drilled every hole first, otherwise the screw can bind up and snap inside the wood. I chose paddock because this is going straight back outside, and I wanted the new structure to last another 20 years. I also kept spacing between the boards consistent, so water can drain properly, instead of sitting on the wood. Board by board, it's finally starting to look like a new floor again. To finish it off, I'm trimming the edges with the Festool track saw, giving the whole floor one perfectly straight, clean edge. Just a quick final sanding to clean everything up, and that's it. After almost 20 years, these boards are ready to go back outside, hopefully for another 20.